Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ramesh Babu the Influencer. Today we are going to see the world famous Black Forest which is located in Germany. Here world famous cuckoo clocks are made and sold. Cuckoo clocks made with wood from Black Forest. Hi friends, after a lot of journey, I reached to Black Forest. This is the place where you can find original cuckoo clocks made in Germany. These cuckoo clocks are made here with the original wood collected from Black Forest. And you see a lot of cuckoo clocks, and this place is very nice. Ambience is so good to walk here, and breathtaking views here. I really like this place, and you also enjoy this place. After buying cuckoo clock in Black Forest, now we started going out from here. This is the way it looks like. Now we are heading to Stuttgart, Germany. I am going to see a place called Mercedes Benz Museum in Germany. Now we reach to Mercedes Benz Museum, which is located in Stuttgart, Germany. This museum is world famous museum. Here you will see all Mercedes Benz vehicles from the long time. What are all the old models, new models, everything is displayed here. This museum is multi-storied building. In each floor, vehicles are arranged by category, and vehicles are arranged by old engine models to new engine models, and they are all very well maintained.